Hi guys, I'm Soumya and welcome back to my channel Dash of Delight. Today I'm gonna share with you all one of the most delicious Indian dessert recipes, which is Besan Halwa, also known as Chickpea Flour Fudge. So come, let's start off with the recipe. For Besan Halwa or Chickpea Fudge we need 1 cup chickpea flour, 1/3 cup sugar. Now if you want you can also take half cup sugar, but I personally prefer less sweet halwa, so that's why I'm taking, so it's up to you. Then you need to take half cup clarified butter or ghee. Then you can also take some dry fruits or nuts, but that is optional. Now take clarified butter or ghee in a pan, and once it is hot, just add chickpea flour into it. So do not add all the chickpea flour, take small portions of it. So keep adding and keep mixing like this. And now we need to roast this chickpea flour for a good 15 to 20 minutes. Yes guys, you heard it right. It takes 15 to 20 minutes of roasting. And see, after 3 to 4 minutes, it will start changing the color like this. And then again after 3-4 minutes it will start changing the color to golden brown like this. So we'll keep roasting until it becomes a bit lumpy, see, like this. And now we'll be adding sugar and milk. So guys, if you don't want to wait until so long, that's absolutely fine. You may proceed to add sugar and milk after 10 minutes also. It's just that I'm telling the best way to release that authentic flavor of halwa. Now mix everything together, give it a good mix guys, and then within 2 minutes you will see that it will start leaving the pan like this. So now at this stage add 2 teaspoons of ghee or clarified butter like so. So here comes our clarified butter, both the spoons, and then mix it well. Mix it for at least 15 to 20 seconds like this. And now guys, time to add in some nuts or dry fruits. I've taken some walnuts and almonds. You can choose to have the ones of your own choice, like cashews, raisins, etc. So guys, here comes our yummy dessert recipe, besan halwa or chickpea fudge. This is absolutely delicious. So if you like my recipe, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.